how to choose a captain in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and then tap on the Fantasy option from the bottom of your screen. Here you will now see the option for Pick Team. So go ahead and tap on the Pick Team option you see there, and now go ahead and tap on the player whom you want to make your captain, and a menu will appear. Here you will see the checkbox for captain. So tap on the captain checkbox you see there, and with this, as you can see, the player has now been the captain of my squad. Now, in order to confirm, tap on the confirm option on the top right of your screen, and with this, the captain will be changed. So this was about how you can change a captain on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.